Hello students, now we are going to commence a new course, blended learning course on ME22083 heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, and it is lecture hours 3, tutorial hours are 0 and practical hours are 0, and we are going to have 3 credits. Once you clear the subject, you are going to acquire 3 credits, and myself Kumaraswamy, I am assistant professor from mechanical engineering department, and you can approach me for all your queries and for all your clarifications in future. So let me introduce the syllabus of this subject. There are 5 units. I will show you all 5 units, and then in next session we are going to start the unit number 1. So this is the content of unit 1. So introduction to refrigeration. I am going to introduce what is refrigeration, and we have it is only 7 hours. This unit need only 7 hours. We are going to complete in 7 sessions. So then unit of refrigeration. So what is the unit for refrigeration measurement and representation, that we are going to discuss here. And then we have COP coefficient of performance, so that we are going to discuss, and we are going to see few numerical problems on this. And we have ideal cycles, refrigerants desirable properties. Refrigerants desirable properties are very much needed. You should understand its desirable properties or characteristics, then only you can apply the suitable refrigerant for your application. So that we are going to discuss in first unit itself. Then refrigerants classification, refrigerants nomenclatures. So this is the unit 1, and in unit 2 vapor compression refrigeration system. So this is little bigger unit. It requires 10 hours to complete, and in first session in this unit we are going to see vapor compression cycle, pH diagram and TS diagram, and deviation of actual diagrams, pH and TS diagram, from theoretical cycle, that we are going to discuss in a hour. And subcooling and superheating, effects of condenser and evaporator pressure on COP, multi-pressure system, low temperature refrigeration, cascade systems. We have on few numerical problems on this. We are going to solve and discuss a few problems on this. And then equipments, types of compressors and condensers, and under same equipments we are going to see types of expansion devices and evaporators. So these are the 4 main components of any refrigerator: compressor, condenser, expansion device and evaporator. So these are the 4 very important components of any refrigeration system that we are going to discuss, and different types also we are going to discuss in unit 2. As part of unit 3, other refrigeration systems, and we have seen the vapor compression refrigeration system in unit 2, and then we are going to see other refrigeration systems. Those are in existence. Working principles of vapor absorption system. So in earlier vapor compression we have seen, and here we are going to see vapor absorption system, working principles of absorption cooling systems, and then steam jet refrigeration, ejector refrigeration systems, thermoelectric refrigeration, air refrigeration, magnetic refrigeration system, vortex tube refrigeration system, pulse tube refrigeration system. So these are the content we are going to discuss in unit 3, and this will be a little interesting unit. We can go through all the topics leisurely. As part of unit 4, we are going to discuss about psychometric properties and processes. So it is we will be having few numerical problems here, and we will be discussing most of the problems here. And anyhow, I will be uploading the more number of problems in Google Classroom. You can utilize those problems and material, and once you are comfortable with problems, definitely you can answer any question in examination. So properties of moist air, Gibbs-Dalton law, specific humidity and dew point temperature, degree of saturation and relative humidity, enthalpy, humid specific heat, and wet bulb temperature. So these are the three properties we are going to discuss. And then we have thermodynamic wet bulb temperature, psychometric chart. So it is very important to understand this chart, and psychometric of air conditioning processes, and mixing of air streams. So these are the content of unit 4, and this unit requires 9 hours to discuss different psychometric properties and processes. Unit 5, it is actually the subject title reflects here, HVAC systems and the load estimation. So here we are going to see different refrigeration system which are actually suitable, or we can design the refrigeration system for the space available, that we are going to see here. Load estimation also we are going to deal here. The first topic from this unit, there are 9 hours required to deal this unit. Air conditioning loads, outside and inside design conditions. So this we are going to elaborately see, because it is very important concept to understand for HVAC designers. Heat transfer through structure, solar radiation, electrical appliances, infiltration and ventilation. So this we are going to see in a broad manner. Internal heat load, apparatus selection, fresh air load, human comfort and IAQ principles, effective temperature and chart, calculation of summer and winter air conditioning load, and classification and layouts of different plants for which we are going to design HVAC systems, air absorption system and filters, air conditioning systems with controls, temperature, pressure, humidity, and we have actuators and safety controls. So this is little bigger unit, and we are going to see all the topics in a detailed manner from this unit, because this is the ultimate aim of the subject, and we are going to deal all the content in elaborated manner. Coming to course outcomes. All of you should remember these course outcomes. It is very important to see what are the outcomes from this subject, and you should understand this. And these are the estimated course outcomes. At the end of the course, this is the table, right? Understand the basic concepts of refrigeration. Understand the vapor compression refrigeration system, and to analyze the performance, that is CO2, that is course outcome 2. CO3, understand the various types of refrigeration systems, so that is CO3. CO4 is calculate the psychometric properties and analyze the various psychometric processes, so this is CO4. And CO5 is the ultimate aim of, or ultimate outcome from this particular subject, that is understand the concepts of HVAC and to analyze the performance. So these are the 5 COs, and you should remember all these 5 COs, which are actually outcomes from this subject. So you should remember these outcomes. So textbooks, there are 2 textbooks. One is Aurora CP, refrigeration and air conditioning. It is a good book, and a textbook of refrigeration and air conditioning by Rajput. So this is another book which is very simple and easy to understand book. Apart from this, we have one more reference book, that is Kurmi, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning by Kurmi, that is given in references. That is also very good book to refer. Very easily you can understand the concepts. So this is ASHRAE handbook. So this is American Society of Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineering handbook. This is one of the good book, and you can always rely on this. It is depending on the developments taking place, they used to update this handbook every year. Even 2020 handbook is also available. You can freely download from internet. Jones WP, it is air conditioning engineering. It is also good book, but a little vast book. Rai J. Dosert, Principles of Refrigeration. Stoker WF and Jones, it is also a good book. And this is the book I am telling about, textbook of refrigeration and air conditioning, Kurmi. And this is a very simple book and easy to understand, and you can rely on this. Apart from this, we have web resources. This is NPTEL courses available. You can also register and you can study this subject. Otherwise, anyhow we are doing here, and you can carry on with our syllabus. And the extra material, if you want to refer, definitely you can download the material available in this particular link. And then brightupengineering.com, HVAC. This is also a very good reference e-resource. You can refer to this website. This is about our syllabus for this subject, HVAC. And do remember that there are numerical problems in this subject. You should have good practice with your scientific calculator. You should operate that well, because if you have good practice with your calculator, you can save time during your examination. So all the best, students. Thank you. We stop here. We will meet in next session. We will start the first topic, Introduction to Refrigeration, from first unit in our next session. Thank you, students.